How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. Now, if you're on WhatsApp and you're trying to log into it and you're logging in on a new device, now in most cases, what happens is when you run it up, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be adding in your, general details. So let's say if we go to logging back in to our WhatsApp, you're going to be adding in your phone number. And once you add in your phone number and you hit this, you click on next. Now, in most cases, what's going to happen is it will send a verification code to your phone number. Okay. Now, in most cases, a code like this is going to be requested. Now, what happens in some cases is that the code will not be sent. Now, that could be a few issues. Now, one of those issues could be that maybe that phone is unavailable. That phone is turned off and not here to use. Okay. Now, in other cases, what could be is that that phone number has been corrupted. So, to fix that, you can simply go over to WhatsApp's very own help center, and the help center is simply going to allow you to contact them. So simply go ahead and contact them, describe your problem, add some screenshots, and they should be back with you in a few days and your problem should be fixed. So that is pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.